I created these cute clear bookmarks and I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to need printable clear sticker paper, an inkjet printer, and your Cricut. Upload your favorite ghost images to Cricut Design Space and print them with the Print Then Cut feature. Grab a laminating pouch and fold back the backing of the sticker paper. You will be sandwiching the sticker paper between the pouch. This part takes some time, so be patient. If you end up getting wrinkles or bubbles, don't worry. You can easily lift up the sticker paper and adjust it. I'm using a felt-covered ruler to help me apply the sticker paper on the laminating sheets. It also helps remove any air bubbles and wrinkles. You can also use a large felt tip squeegee. Like I said, if you have any wrinkles, just lift up the paper and readjust. Go ahead and close the pouch and then put it through your laminator. Make sure that you have your laminator on hot, and once ready, just pass it through your laminator. I like to put it through at least twice. I find that it removes most of the wrinkles that way. Just in case you didn't know, this is Michelle from Michelle's Party Planet. I share lots of Cricut and sublimation tutorials, so make sure you're following along. Next, with some scissors, just trim the outline of the paper to remove any extra laminate sheet. We want to make sure we cut this down to the 8.5 by 11 size, since we will be using the Cricut Print Then Cut feature. I just trimmed down 3 of the sides since we don't really need to worry about the bottom. I used a strong grip mat and my Cricut Explore 3. The laminate sheet on the mat, and using a brayer or again the ruler, apply pressure to remove any wrinkles. If you have wrinkles on the outside area of the ghost, that's not a problem. Just make sure there's no air bubbles on the ghost themselves. I'm going to use the cut settings for medium cardstock with more pressure, and I also switched the blade to the deep point blade. Once it's done cutting, go ahead and remove the excess laminate sheet. Curl your mat, and then you can remove any of the excess pretty easily. This is a great hack for making sure that your designs don't get curly. I use it whenever I cut cardstock or anything like that as well. You bend the mat and then you hold on to your cut, moving the mat, and you're not really moving the cut. As you can see, I just hold on to the cutout and then I move the mat backwards. I can already tell that they cut out perfectly. I didn't have any issues with the Cricut reading the registration marks. So now we'll add them to this book. I think the clear transparency sticker paper adds just the right amount of eeriness to the design. Aren't they cute? I really love how they came out. I like to stick the heads out at the top just to add a little spooky flair. I hope you try this project out, and don't forget to like and follow for more. As always, thank you for watching.